This is coming out of nowhere. Just dropping. Just dropping. This has to be debris from the storm, and it's just raining down. Oh my goodness, it's like raining leaves right now.
You take a picture of it?
I'm recording it.
I think I can run to the store and get back for it. Tell them.
Oh well, hurry up, please. But like you gonna see it here in the car. It just fell out the sky. Dad's going to the store. Please be careful. Oh my goodness. Just- So I guess this is the storm. And when I tell you stuff is flying out the sky, for real. This is a piece of cardboard. It's debris just falling everywhere. Maybe you should call into the news, okay?